Still stuck into this, have it recapped. Yeah, we missed out a bit on the video, but we've recapped it. It's working really well. We stuck in our new rectifier valve because the old one was a little bit weak. And now we're just gonna take the dust out of in here and just look at that dust on the scale plate. Isn't that impressive? Isn't that amazing how much dust they collect? But it's sounding really good, so we'll give it a good clean. We'll get it all back together and then we'll have a listen to it. You make it real for me. You.
Is scary, but when you look, obviously you are now one of the most senior players in this squad. What responsibility do you feel? As you said there, it's just youngsters.
Corrupt snakes all the way down. I have got to get out. People Person by Candice Carty-Williams. Dimple looked at her 4 half-siblings, but you didn't think this would be the next time we'd all be in the same place. And Adults by Emma Jane Unsworth. That's what the mid-30s should be about.
Five Live Drive.
Tony Livesey and Claire McDonald.
It's Tony and Claire with you on Five Live Drive on a Monday afternoon. Thanks for joining us. Hope you all had a fantastic weekend. Start of a new week. And we bring you this story now. More people are returning to cash in order to keep a tighter control on their budget and spending as the cost of living continues to soar. That is
How to diagnose? There was no treatment, there was nothing.
People know Terry's name because of the way he died.
Lots of people handed over lots of money. I'm talking about thousands and thousands.
Help, but we've already found everyone. I was like, I had tears in my eyes every time I was going. I really had hope for this country. I
Drawn, and too many retailers don't accept.
A year later, what did that say to you when that explosion?
72 games for the club, scoring 114 goals. He amassed.
已经走上。
12 febbraio
and all other major podcast platforms. Why we love Dunhuang? You will have your answers.
You're listening to The Bridge.
Thinking about Japan. Japan, one of the issues in Japan is that the cost of living is also very high. Like a lot.
Al-Qaeda interplanetaria y que
alanında hapsoluyor. İşte Eren
Japan looking for a part.
Free hearing aid. RSI at Specsavers. Music to your ears. Find out more online. Terms and conditions apply.